Well, guys, we've got a fire alarm system going off in an office building along Sunrise Valley. Saw a couple of wheelock RSS is in there, remote strobes in there, along with wheelock AS, which is disconnected. Probably wheelock AS is in here, I suspect. I can see the strobes going off like right up there. I heard a little bit of some chirping or something. Since it's not too tall of a building, I suspect to be this building has horn strobes here. Most likely wheelock AS, since I saw one right over there. Unhooked. The strobe on it's not going off, so the other ones I saw that I see right now that are going off are two wheelock RSSs. And they're all in sync too. Well, down here anyway. I can't quite see them. But I can just see the reflection from the strobes in person. Some more chirping once again. I wonder if they're wheelock NSes or not. I'm having a little trouble getting that system turned off. Don't ask me what caused the alarms to go off here. And you can get a pretty good idea now. Strobes are flashing it right here. Just barely. Two RSS flashing down here. And engines were already here when I pulled up. I see another device or something right over here. I'm not sure if it's an NS or an AS, but it sounded like a wheelock NS. Unless this fireworks is going off right now because it's July 4th. I'm just taking my time getting back home from checking out a great fireworks show over at Beauty Park. Wow, what a great way to end the night. Then to see a malfunctioning fire alarm system going off here. Alright. So far, since I've been here, I've made a couple attempts to try and turn off the system, but it keeps coming back on. So yeah, something's up with the system on here. But they'll get it fixed up soon enough. Goodbye.